Okay, what's up, guys? Good morning, good evening, or from wherever you're watching from. Thank you for tuning in for this video. So I know it's been a minute, but I have something for you guys. So this video, as you've seen the title, it's about how to safely remove your RAM. Okay, so let's do that. Okay, guys, so this is the computer that I'll be showing you with, and this is the toolkit that I'll be using. So first things first, of course, is to get the lid off. This one, we place it right here. Okay, so first things first, as you can see, there are a lot of components here, and you need to know where the RAM is located. Yeah. So one thing you can do is look up the model of your computer, and they have all those things online. You can see the configuration of everything, and you can know where it is placed. So once you know where it is placed, you'll need to access it. Yeah, so you can change or do anything to the RAM. So here is what you do. You remove all the components that are bearing or that are in between the RAM and like you. Yeah, so let's do that. Can place it on the side. So as you can see, here is the RAM. There you go. So there are two sticks here. There are two sticks. So what you do to remove the RAM, there are these two white parts here. Yeah. So if it's this one you want to remove, you click on that one. There is an edge there, you pull it back, and then you come on the other side and do the same. So as you can see, this one is pushed up and you can just pick it up. Yeah. If we try removing it without doing the unlocking sequence that I've shown you, it won't move and you might even damage it. Yeah. So you do this, remove on that side and remove on that side, and then you pull it up. Yeah. So that is how to remove. So if you are inserting the RAM, how do you do it? Yeah. So let me show you that. So the RAM sticks, you can see there are two sides to this thing. Yeah. There is one end that is long, and then there is an edge there that is dividing them both. Yeah. And then there is a short side. Yeah. When you look at the other one, it has the same sequence. Yeah. It has the same sequence. So what you do, you come here to the computer. Yeah. And as you can see, there is the long side and the short side. Yeah. So once you have identified those sides, yeah, you take your RAM, yeah, and there are etchings here. Let me show you that more clearly. Okay, so that is a better view. So as you can see, there is this side and this side. So what you'll have to do is align this RAM stick to these etchings in here. You can see, let me get closer so you can see better. So you can see these etchings here, those two. This is where you're supposed to insert. Align first, don't insert, you just align them and just place them gently. Let's do that. As you can see, it's aligned and it's well. So what you do is push it down and you hear that click, yeah? And then on the other side, you do the same. There's that click. So that means this one is locked in well, yeah? And once you try to move it, it can't move. So let me demonstrate that again. You come here, take your lamp stick, identify the sides, align them with the appropriate ones on the computer, and then gently place them on the equivalent sides, and then push, just gently, not hard, just gently. There is that click, you must hear it to know if it is locked. So there is that click, you must hear it to see if it is locked. Yeah, so that is how to go about removing your RAM stick and re-entering your RAM stick. So most computers have multiple RAM sticks, like 4. They are expandable. So RAM works to help with the computer running things on the computer. So when a process is happening on the computer, the task is brought to the RAM, and then the RAM does the appropriate works. So instead of every time going to the hard drive and everything, some information is stored on the RAM temporarily to enable the work of the computer to be done. And yeah, that is just a short video about this process. So if you want to see another video about any of the computer processes and how to work them or anything, kindly let me know in the comments down below. So thank you for watching. So we are growing, by the way, guys, by leaps and bounds. We are at around 1,200. We are almost to 1,200 subscribers. Yeah, almost 1,500. Yeah, I thank you guys honestly for this. I've been doing this for a long time, and it's good to see the growth. Also, another thing, guys, throughout the video you might see my number, my M-Pesa number, and maybe QR code for my PayPal. If you see this work that I do is important, or if you just want to support me, kindly do that. Send it to that number and I'll really appreciate it. Anyway, thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. So request a video down below. I'll be checking those videos and I'll be doing them. If you have tech issues or anything, I'll put a page up here, an Instagram page for my business. If you are in Kenya, you can reach out, or if you are all over the world, I do consultations and all those things. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and hope to see you in the next video. Peace out, guys.